It's me, Blippi. Whoa! And look at what it is. Whoa! It's an airplane! Today, I'm at Erin Air at the Boeing Field in Seattle, Washington. And you and I are gonna learn about, airplanes. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Hey, let's learn the exterior parts of the airplane. Do you see this? This is the nose of the airplane. Do you know why it's called the nose? Yeah, because it looks like a nose. Oh, hey, come over here. Up here, those are the windscreens. They kind of look like windshields. Yeah, just like in cars. Whoa! So you don't get a bunch of bugs in your mouth. Whoa! Check out down here. Whoa! Kind of looks like a wheel and a tire. Wait a second. That's because it is a wheel and a tire. This is the nose gear. This helps the airplane while it's on the ground. Whoa! This is the cabin entry door. Check it out. Woo! Now we can go inside. Hello? Hello? Okay. Whoa! Whoa, look down here! It's another landing gear. This is the main landing gear. Yeah, it's another wheel and a tire. And there's another one on the other side. Oh, and the windows! Look! That's where the passengers look out from. Hello! Hey, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Whoa, good job! Whoa! What is this? It's a wing! Whoa! 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 It's so long! Wow! And it's so shiny! Look! Hello! Hey! Oh! Ooh, come back over here! Wow, that is the jet engine. Do you see it spin in a circle? Whoa, around and around it goes. That's what provides the airplane with all of its power. Whoa! Come on! Whoa, and the main body of the aircraft is called a fuselage. Let's go to the back. Oh, wait, see that? That is the empennage. Yeah, the back of the aircraft. Ooh, and in here, there's a cargo compartment. You have to open up, just like this. Okay, here we go. Whoa. Oh, you can store a lot of bags in there. Whoa. Oh, and look up here. Wow. That is the horizontal stabilizer fin. That is the vertical stabilizer fin. It helps the aircraft be nice and stable in the air. Whoa. Ooh, another compartment. Wow. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Whoa! Check it out! A bunch of engine stuff! interesting. Hey, I have another compartment to show you. Whoa! Whoa, look! Huh, what does this say? Fuel. 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 Oh, yeah! This is the fuel compartment. What? Oh, check it out. Yeah, that's where the fuel goes. Fuel is kind of like food or water to you and I. Whoa, it's what powers and provides fuel to the jet engine. Whoa! Whee! Whoa! This plane is pretty awesome! There are so many types of planes out there, like this one. This plane is a business plane, and it's a passenger plane. And there's also leisure planes. They look pretty similar. There are agriculture planes. Whoa! There's also cargo planes. Whoa! They can hold a lot of cargo. Hey, yeah, seaplanes. Whoa! Seaplanes can land on land. Ooh, and military planes. Whoa! Oh, there are so many types of planes out there. I love planes. Now, let's take a flight inside the airplane. Come on. This is gonna be so much fun. Oh, watch your step. Come on. Whoa, check it out over here. Wow, this is the cockpit, and those are the pilots.
Hello. Hi.
Oh, let's take a seat. Oh, just like in a car, there's seat belts. Yep. First things first, safety first. You have to buckle up. Okay, this is gonna be so much fun. Whoa! This is cool. Hey, since we're not up in the air yet, let's go check out what the pilots are up to. Whoa, can you see? It's kind of like they're driving a car, but it's actually an airplane. Look! Now we're high in the sky, in the air. We're not touching the ground at all. Here, look. Whoa, did you see that? That's downtown Seattle. And I saw the Seattle Space Needle. Whoa! flying in this airplane. Hey, maybe next time you travel, you might be able to fly in an airplane. And don't worry, it's not scary. It's actually really safe. Hey, I was just doing the airplane dance. Will you do the airplane dance with me? This is gonna be so much fun. Here, I'll teach you. First, you put up your arms like you're an airplane. Whoa! Whoa! And you dance when you hear the music. But when the music stops, don't move a muscle. Ready? I sure do love acting like an airplane. So peaceful flying in the air. Whoa, it's like I'm a bird. Wait, no, I'm an airplane. Hey, how about we sing the airplane song?
Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high. Some airplanes are as big as a building, some are as small as a car.
That's amazing!
Some airplanes transport people, some fly near to the stars.
That's far!
Some airplanes fly with propellers, some airplanes fly with jet engines. I love to look up and see their wings waving down at me.
Hey, airplane!
Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high. Some airplanes can land on water, but most land on landing strips.
So versatile!
Some airplanes fly just for fun, some fly for business trips.
Business or pleasure?
You can make an airplane out of paper, throw it in the air and watch it go. I love to look up and see its wings waving down at me.
Hey, airplane!
Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high.
let's go inside the airplane. Come on! Whoa! Wow! This airplane is so nice! Hey, look! It's a seat, ready just for me. Safety first, you have to buckle up. Ooh, and check this out. Wow! It's like a desk where I can do all of my editing on. Oh, enough of that. I need some water. You have to always remember to hydrate. After a long day of playing, you need to drink a lot of water. Okay, let's put the desk back. Perfect. Ooh, check out back here. Check it out. It's a sink. Whoa, you can wash your hands right there. Woo-hoo. It's really important to keep your hands nice and clean. Ooh, and what's this? Aw, looks like a seat, but there's no seat belt. Huh. Whoa! We know what that is. Yeah, that's if you need to use the restroom when you're in the air. Whoa! Wow, I have an idea. Let's go check out the cockpit. Whoa, come on! Whoa! Whoa! This is a really tight squeeze. I don't think the Empire had Wookiees in mind when they designed this cockpit. Okay, anywho, first things first. Safety first. Let's buckle up. Okay. Lap belt secured. And then we need our headset. Hello? Can you hear me? Hey, yeah! Woo! Tower! This is Pilot Blippi. We're ready for takeoff.
Okay, Pilot Blippi, you're good to go.
Yeah, good job. Okay, then you grab the yoke. Whoa, look! Both yokes move at the same time. Whee! Yokes are kind of like steering wheels in a car. Whoa, and look at all of this! There's so many cool gadgets and avionics and buttons. I'm not gonna touch them for now. Ooh, and the throttle. Ooh. Push that forward, and then that's when you go really fast. Whoa! Ooh, and once you're in the air, this is the landing gear. Pull that up, and then the wheels and tires go inside the aircraft. Whoa! Airplanes are so cool. Hello! Whoa! That was so much fun learning about airplanes with you. Well, I should probably get going now. This is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi, good job. Thank you so much to Erin Air. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Did you see what they were doing? Yeah, they were skiing and snowboarding. And today, you and I are gonna learn about snowboarding. Woo! Today, we are at Mountain Creek Resort in New Jersey, United States. And we are going to learn about snowboarding. Oh, hey!
Hi.
What's your name?
I'm Hillary.
Ooh, what is this place?
This is a Bird and Wrigley Park.
Ooh, what do you do here?
This is where we teach kids 3 to 6 how to snowboard.
Ooh, can I go check it out?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, come on. Whoa, this place looks like so much fun. Ooh, come here. Whoa, did you see that?
And we're gonna stop right here.
Let's talk to him. What are you doing?
We are teaching Gracie here how to snowboard.
Hey, Gracie, can I have a high five? Ooh, ow, so powerful.
The strongest high five ever.
Yeah, what's that in your hand?
This is called a riglet.
Ooh, come check it out. What does the riglet do?
So we use this. It's a little retractable leash for younger kids that are just learning to snowboard. We're helping them work in balancing skills.
Cool.
And we can adjust the length of it so I can make it a little bit longer if I wanted to stand out here.
Oh.
You can bring it in close. So what I'm doing is I'm propelling her across the snow as she hits all the cool features we have here.
All
We're going
right.
to keep balance, doing little jumps.
Cool. Are you ready to shred it? All right, go shred.
All right.
All right,
You
check
ready
it
for that
out.
bump bar? All right, we're going for the bump bar. For the middle, aim for the middle, and jump.
Nice. Ooh, see this? This is a snowboard, a kid's snowboard. And see this right here? This is the riglet. This is what you use to hold to pull the child, like you. You want to learn to snowboard? All right, here we go. Come on. Oh, awesome! Yeah! Awesome grind! Whoa, that was some big air! Woo! All right, now it's time for me to go snowboarding. Oh, hey, look! This is my snowboard. Whoa, it's so big. Let's go. Wait. I can't go snowboarding in this attire. Come on. We need our snow gear on. All right. First set of snow gear. Yeah, a pair of pants. Yeah! All right, now that I have my pants on, we need our snow boots. Whoa! All right, let's put them on. These are awesome. I can't touch my sock to the snow or else it's gonna get wet. Oh yeah! Look at me now! Woo! All right, it's a little chilly though. What's next? Yeah! A blue jacket! Ooh, this looks so warm! Let me put it on! Yeah! Look at me now! Ooh, my nice blue jacket, my bright orange pants, my sweet snow boots. Look down here first. Ooh, yeah. Look at this. This is a helmet. All right. Whoa! Look at it. Pretty sweet helmet. Helmets are used to keep your head safe. You gotta wear a helmet. Look at this. Awesome! Yeah! Some sweet goggles. Whoa! Yeah! See you later, glasses. And last but not least, some gloves. Haha! Now I can go snowboarding. All right, now we're at the ski lift. Yeah, this is where you ride it to the top of the mountain. First, you have to put on one binding on the boot. So you put in your boot right here. Then you strap it in. Make sure it's nice and tight. And here's the second strap. See, there's 1, 2 straps. All right, here I go. It's almost my turn. Here I go!
Closer.
All right, now I'm off to the chairlift. I have to put my second foot in. See? One's right here, and one is right here for 2 feet. All right, we have 2 straps too. Okay, the first strap is in, and now the second strap is in. Here we go. Snowboarding. Let's go! Yeah! Whoa! Wow! There's so many skis and snowboards in here. Ooh, look at this one. It's the color yellow. Whoa, this one's the color red. Ooh, hey, look at this one. This one's the color blue. All right, let's head over to my snowboard and tune it. That's where you make it really sharp and waxy, so then you can go really fast. Hey, here it is. Whoa, the first thing you have to do is take off the bindings. This is where you put your feet. All right, so this is the top of the snowboard. Ooh, and this is the base of the snowboard. See how there's some scratches in it? Yeah. We are gonna take those out, grind it down, and add some wax. So the first machine is this machine. This is the grinder machine. See, there's a grinder right there and a wheel that pushes it. So let me turn on the water first. All right, here we go. Look at how smooth it is. All right, let me turn off the water. Whoa. All right, it's really smooth. See? It's kind of wet from the water. So the next thing we have to do is grind the edges. Whoa! See this machine? This machine is the grinder. Wow, there's a little bit of sandpaper right there, and it grinds the edges. For this machine, you need an expert. So let's go get us an expert. Hello?
Hello.
So this is Felipe. He's gonna take the snowboard and grind the edges. Wow, thank you so much.
See you later.
See ya. All right, so now the edges are really sharp. We need to apply some wax. But first, let's dry off the board. Come here. Take a paper towel. Wipe it down a bit. All right, there we go. So now I have a really cool machine to show you. Come over here. Whoa, you see this? This is a quick waxer. See, this is what applies the wax. And then back here, this is the bufferer. So, first thing you have to do is take some wax, some blue wax, and run it right there, which is really hot. Then take the snowboard. Whoa. All right, now there's wax on the bottom. Now we need to buffer it. Here we go. Whoa! Yeah! Wow, the snowboard is perfect now. So now let's set it down. Then we put the bindings back on. And now we're ready to ride. That was awesome! I'm just playing with this snowboarder toy in this mini terrain park. I think we should tear it up. Come on! Whoa! 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 Oh, that was a gnarly wipeout. What else is around here? Ooh, look at this! It says, color your board. Ooh, look, some colored pencils. All right, first things first. Yeah, my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. All right, now for some color. A lot of color. One of my two favorite colors, orange. Ready? Yeah, this is gonna be an awesome board. All right, my second favorite color, blue. Ready? Yeah! All right, now for our masterpiece. Sweet! Look at it. Sweet snowboard. Wow. All right. Whoa, what do we have here? Ooh, looks like a really fun game. Looks like we have two die, a green one and a yellow one. All right, I'm gonna stand on a snowboard and then throw one of these. Let's throw the green one, okay? And whatever number it lands on, we have to put our hand there. Oh, look, it landed on the number 5. All right, a number 5 is an indie, and it's right here. Ready? Whoa! Yeah! Oh, I really stuck that one. All right, let's do another one. Do you see the number? Yeah, it's the number 3. All right, this is a melon grab. Ready? Whoa! Right here! Whoa! 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 That was so much fun! Ooh! We have some snowboards right here. Check it out. This snowboard is the color green and orange. Woo! Woo! Put that right there. Check out this snowboard. It's the color red and blue. And I'm gonna ride it. Put these foam pads right here. And this is where you come to practice. Yeah, what a cool room. Whoa! Whoa! All right. See, you can lean on your toe side, the edge of the snowboard, where your toes are, and then you can go on your heel side. Whoa! Where the edge of the snowboard where your heels are. Then you can act like you're riding. Practice your balance and get on the edges of your snowboard. Whoa! Whoa! It's like I'm riding down the hill. Whoa! Whoa! All right. Whoa! What are these? Ooh! Wow! This is a yellow spooner. And this is a green spooner. Check out what you do with these. You set them on the ground, put one foot here, another foot here. Whoa! And you can balance on all edges, see? Toe, heel, back foot, front foot. You can do some sweet spins. Whoa, 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 whoa! Wait a second. Do you hear that? Yeah! It's the Spooner song!